Is your money parked in a bank? But not really. Ever heard of robo-advisors? These automated investment platforms are all the rage these days, promising to grow your wealth with a set-it-and-forget-it approach. But what if a robo-advisor also throws in features that look suspiciously like a bank account? That's the case with Betterment. They started as a robo-advisor, but now offer what they call Betterment Checking and Betterment Cash Reserve. These sound an awful lot like checking and savings accounts, but is Betterment actually a bank? Buckle up, because this gets interesting. The rise of the robo-advisors. Let's rewind a bit. Traditional investing involves picking stocks and bonds yourself or hiring a human advisor to do it for you. Robo-advisors like Betterment take a different approach. You answer a questionnaire about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Based on your answers, the robo-advisor builds a diversified investment portfolio for you. The beauty? Robo-advisors are typically cheaper than human advisors, and they automate the whole process. They rebalance your portfolio as needed, keeping you on track for your goals. So, it's a great option for people who want to invest but don't have the time or expertise to pick stocks themselves. Betterment branches out, checking and savings. Almost. Now, Betterment decided to expand their offerings with Betterment Checking and Betterment Cash Reserve. Here's what they offer. Betterment Checking. This comes with a mobile app, a Visa debit card, and fee-free checking. Sounds pretty similar to your standard bank account, right? Betterment Cash Reserve. This is a high-yield savings account option. You can park your cash here and earn interest. Again, sounds an awful lot like a savings account at a brick-and-mortar bank. But here's the twist. Betterment itself isn't actually a bank. They partner with other banks to offer these features. So, what does this mean for you? There are a few key things to keep in mind. FDIC insurance. When you deposit money in a traditional bank account, it's insured by the FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, up to a certain amount. This protects your money in case the bank fails. With Betterment Checking and Cash Reserve, the actual FDIC insurance comes from the partner banks they use, not Betterment itself. Be sure to check which banks Betterment partners with and what their FDIC insurance limits are. Account features. While Betterment Checking offers features similar to a checking account, there might be limitations compared to traditional banks. For example, Betterment Checking might not offer paper checks or have a wide network of ATMs. Interest rates. Betterment Cash Reserve boasts a high-yield interest rate, which can be attractive. However, interest rates can fluctuate, so it's important to compare rates with other high-yield savings accounts offered by online banks. The verdict: robo-advisor with banking perks, but not a bank. So, to answer the burning question, Betterment isn't a real bank. They're a robo-advisor that has partnered with banks to offer features that resemble checking and savings accounts. Is this a bad thing? Not necessarily. Betterment Checking can be a convenient way to manage your everyday expenses alongside your investments. Betterment Cash Reserve can be a good option to park your emergency fund and earn some interest. The key takeaway? Do your research before you dive in. Understand the differences between Betterment's features and traditional bank accounts. Make sure you're comfortable with the FDIC insurance situation and any limitations on features or access. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.